Have you ever seen a post and thought, wow, this is going viral? Or reacted with, I can't even? Social media has its own language, and if you want to sound natural online, you need to know these trending and reaction phrases. Welcome to Learn English with Mandla. Let's test your knowledge. Which of these phrases means that a post is becoming extremely popular? A. This is breaking the internet. B. Throwback Thursday. C. BRB. D. DM me for details. Again, which of these phrases means a post is becoming extremely popular? That's right, A. This is breaking the internet. What does I can't even mean? A. I don't understand this. B. I am speechless or overwhelmed. C. I want to delete my post. Or D. I am bored. Again, what does I can't even mean? That's right, I am speechless or overwhelmed. Okay, so let's look at trending and viral content. Social media moves fast. These phrases will help you talk about what's trending. 1. This is going viral. Have you heard this one before? Well, the meaning here, this means that a post or a video or a trend is quickly gaining popularity. For example, have you seen that cat dancing video? It's going viral. So how would you use this? You would use this when something is getting a lot of likes or shares or attention online. T. Second phrase, breaking the internet. This means when something becomes so popular that it seems like everybody is talking about it. For example, that celebrity's new look is breaking the internet. So how would you use this? This is a more dramatic way to say going viral. It's often used for major trends. Okay, breaking the internet. Great. Number 3, trend alert. This means a way to announce a new popular trend. For example, trend alert. Everyone is using this filter now. So you use this when you want to highlight something new that people should pay attention to. Number 4, join the conversation using hashtag. This is encouraging people to engage with the trending topic. For example, want to share your opinion? Join the conversation using hashtag foodie trends. So how do you use this? You use this when you want others to participate in a discussion on social media. Great. Next section would be phrases we use for reactions or comments. Sometimes we don't just like posts, but we want to react to them. So here are some common phrases. Number 5, I can't even. This means a way to express excitement, surprise, or strong emotions. For example, did you see that plot twist? I can't even. So you would use this to say this when something is so amazing or shocking that you don't know how to react. Next one, number 6. This gave me life. This means something made you very happy or excited. For example, that performance was amazing. It gave me life. So you'd use it when you love something and feel energized by it. Number 7, an unpopular opinion, but. A way to introduce opinions that others might disagree with. For example, unpopular opinion, but I don't really like coffee. So you would use this when you want to share an opinion that might not be widely accepted. And number 8, agree to disagree. This means a polite way to end a debate when you and someone have different opinions. For example, you think pineapple belongs on pizza? I disagree, but let's agree to disagree. You would use this when you don't want to argue anymore but still respect the other person's opinion. Great. The next group are abbreviations. Social media is full of abbreviations. Knowing them will help you understand and join online conversations faster. And generally, abbreviations are just shortened words for something longer. For example, number 9, FOMO, FOMO, which means fear of missing out. This just means the anxious feeling that you're missing out on something exciting or important. For example, everyone is at the concert tonight. I have major FOMO. So you'd use FOMO when you feel left out because others are doing something fun or trendy. Or ICYMI, right? In case you missed it. Used to bring attention to something important that others might not have seen. So, example, ICYMI, here's the link to the latest English lesson. You'd use this one when you're reposting or reminding people about something they may have overlooked. So these are just some of the phrases, abbreviations that we use that are common and popular on social media. Now you have essential social media phrases, including how to talk about trending topics, expressing reactions, and use common abbreviation. Try using one of these phrases in the comments below. Do you ever get FOMO? Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. Remember to keep practicing.